Hey everyone, Franco here with Wisdify, and if you're starting out with Excel, that's probably one of the reasons why you're here. And you might actually be working with complex workbooks, even though you've just started. And that's fine, right? That doesn't mean you can't do it. And hopefully you're following along with our videos so that you can get to where you need to be step by step. Okay? One of the most common issues that you'll encounter when you're starting out with Microsoft Excel is maybe you're making a polished report for a client and you need to simplify what they see, but you have a lot of computations that you did in other sheets that lead to the sheet that you need them to see, right? So you need these sheets, but the client shouldn't be able to see them. So what we're going to do here is actually to hide them. Hiding sheets one by one takes up a lot of time. And imagine if you were dealing with data from different divisions of your organization, right? Then you'd have to deal with an unbearable amount of sheets. Now, the thing is, if you had to hide them one by one, that would eat up all of your time. So how do you hide multiple sheets without macros? Believe it or not, when I started working with Excel, I would hide them one by one until I was about 6 months into my first accounting job. Can you believe that? Well, you don't need to burn 6 months to learn that. So I'm going to teach you right here, right now. And the simple trick is to learn how to group your sheets together. So how do you group sheets together? The first thing you can do is hold control and simply click on different sheets that you want to group together. All right. So they don't need to be side by side. Okay. So when they're grouped together like that, anything that you do to one sheet, or not anything, because there are some limitations, but most of the things that you do to one sheet will also be applied to the other sheets. So let's say I put data here, I put one, and most of the things that you do with one sheet that is in a group will actually apply to the whole group. All right. And again, you can do that pressing control, or a faster way is if all of the sheets that you need to group are in one area, right? Or if they're all side by side, you can just click the start of where you want to group your sheets. And once you get to the end, hold shift and click again. All right. So now you're grouping these sheets. Most of the things that you apply will apply the whole group, and that includes hiding. All right. So there you have it. Just one click of hide and all of those nasty sheets are gone. But what if I got the file back from the client and there are some things that I need to revise? I press right click and I click on unhide, but okay. Wow. Once I see this pop up, I press OK and the sheet is now visible, but it feels like I have to do that over and over again. So the thing is, you don't have to at all. Again, you can group sheets together by pressing Control or Shift. So just group them together and press OK, and now they're back. So that's how simple it is to hide or unhide sheets without even using complex things like macros. If this trick helped you present data more cleanly or made navigating massive workbooks easier, just give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tips. If you got a question or a favorite Excel workaround of your own that you want to share, just drop it in the comments and we'll be glad to help. Until next time, keep refining those workflows and working smarter, and have a great day.